While most investors are chasing Nvidia and other headline-grabbing AI giants, the next big winner might not be building the chips, but powering the infrastructure behind them. That's where Applied Digital, trading under the ticker APLD, enters the picture. Rather than focusing on semiconductors or AI algorithms, APLD is quietly constructing the high-performance environments those technologies depend on. In today's breakdown, we're diving into why this under-the-radar company could be one of the most overlooked beneficiaries of the AI revolution. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to Stocks Telegraph for more hidden gem breakdowns like this. Like this video if you believe infrastructure plays are the smart way to ride the AI wave, and drop your take on APLD in the comments below. Your insights could drive our next deep dive. Applied Digital isn't building chips, it's building what chips need to survive and scale. Formerly known as Applied Blockchain, APLD develops and operates purpose-built data centers designed specifically for AI, high-performance computing, and blockchain workloads. These aren't retrofitted legacy centers. They're designed from the ground up to meet the unique demands of GPU-heavy tasks. AI adoption is exploding, and with it comes a surge in demand for computational power. Nvidia plans to ship nearly 2 million H100 GPUs in 2024, yet even the most advanced chips can't perform without high-density infrastructure. Traditional data centers, built for general-purpose workloads, simply can't keep up with the energy and cooling needs of these systems. That's where companies like Applied Digital step in. As the need for specialized GPU hosting accelerates, APLD is positioning itself as a foundational enabler of AI's growth. Its data centers are built specifically to support workloads that draw 100 kilowatts or more per rack, complete with liquid cooling and robust power setups. In doing so, APLD moves beyond its origins in crypto and firmly into the realm of mission-critical AI infrastructure. APLD's transition has been both strategic and timely. Originally focused on Bitcoin mining, the company pivoted toward AI and HPC as the market for digital assets cooled and demand for compute capacity exploded. In 2022, it rebranded from Applied Blockchain to Applied Digital, marking a shift in identity and business focus. These investments include a $900 million partnership with Macquarie Asset Management and a $375 million commitment from SMBC Group. These deals fund the build-out of AI-ready campuses like Ellendale, where Applied Digital will lease infrastructure to major players such as CoreWeave, a clear sign of confidence in the company's pivot. Applied Digital's success lies in its infrastructure-first mindset. The company's modular data halls are prefabricated and shipped nearly ready to deploy. At Ellendale, this approach enables 100 megawatt of capacity to go live in weeks, not months, a significant edge when AI workloads can cost millions in training time alone. Each facility is purpose-built for GPU-dense environments. APLD integrates liquid cooling, high-voltage UPS systems, and ABB HyperGuard technology to ensure stability and energy efficiency. And by offering scalable colocation services, it allows clients to rapidly expand their compute power with minimal friction. In short, APLD is creating not just data centers, but high-tech labs optimized for AI, a compelling advantage few can replicate. In the third quarter 2025, APLD posted $52.9 million in revenue, marking a 22% increase year-over-year. Notably, its AI HPC cloud services brought in $17.8 million, a massive 220% year-over-year jump. Although that was down sequentially due to a shift to a multi-tenant model, the trend is clear. AI infrastructure is now a major growth driver. The biggest validation of APLD's strategy came from its 15-year lease with CoreWeave, covering 250 megawatt at Ellendale, with an option for another 150 megawatt. This deal alone could generate $7 billion in revenue over its term, transforming Applied Digital's revenue profile and solidifying its shift from a crypto legacy player to an AI infrastructure leader. With Ellendale's first 100 megawatt expected to come online by the fourth quarter 2025 and another 150 megawatt by mid-2026, Applied Digital has a strong runway for future growth. Capital backing from Macquarie and SMBC ensures the company can scale to meet growing demand while minimizing execution risk. Despite these achievements, APLD's stock still trades like a former crypto play. With a sub-$3 billion market cap and a beta near 6, it's a volatile name, one that swings heavily with macro moves. This makes many investors cautious, even as the company racks up long-term contracts and transforms its operating model. Yet analysts are starting to catch on. H.C. Wainwright, JMP Securities, and Craig Hallam have all boosted their price targets, citing the CoreWeave deal and APLD's accelerating position in AI hosting. Retail flows are up too, with APLD posts spiking over 150% recently. Still, the full re-rating hasn't happened, giving early believers room to benefit from a potential upside surprise. Every opportunity comes with risks, and Applied Digital is no exception. Execution is the biggest concern. The company's transition away from crypto is still underway, and its third-quarter miss raised some red flags about timing and leasing momentum. Spinning off cloud services adds complexity that could distract from core infrastructure execution. Energy use is another concern. AI data centers are electricity-intensive, and regulatory scrutiny is increasing. If federal or local oversight intensifies, it could slow development or increase operating costs. Lastly, capital requirements are steep. While financing is in place for now, the path to full-scale build-out may require new funding, which could dilute shareholders or strain debt ratios if markets tighten. Still, the upside potential is real. If Nvidia is the brain of the AI revolution, Applied Digital is becoming its nervous system, carrying the signals that make large-scale AI possible. The total addressable market for AI infrastructure is enormous, and APLD is among the few focused players executing with speed and precision. Its flagship Ellendale campus could support up to 400 megawatt of IT load, anchored by a tenant already committing billions. With speed to market, cost advantage, and design tailored for GPUs, APLD holds strategic positioning most hyperscalers would struggle to match. If it continues to scale ahead of demand, more long-term deals could follow, cementing its place in the AI infrastructure race. Applied Digital is no longer a crypto miner trying to reinvent itself. It's a company actively reshaping its identity as a high-performance AI infrastructure provider. Its $7 billion lease with CoreWeave, modular build-outs, and massive financial backing make a strong case for its role in the AI ecosystem. The coming 12 to 24 months will be pivotal, especially as Ellendale begins to scale. So, is APLD the dark horse in the AI race, or just another high beta name with a bold pitch? That's where you come in. Drop your thoughts in the comments. Do you see APLD as a real player in AI, or are you holding out for something more proven? Thanks for tuning in to Stocks Telegraph, your source for spotting the disruptors before they hit the mainstream. If this breakdown helped you see APLD in a new light, hit that like button, subscribe, and comment your AI infrastructure picks below. More deep dives are on the way. Catch you in the next one.